If you move valuable cargo, you know the sinking feeling when you worry about security. This bright red beast claims to be the ultimate anti-theft solution for your shipping container or semi-trailer, and honestly, it delivers on that promise. We're looking at the Onsski heavy-duty cargo door lock, and this thing is built like a tank. The core function is simple but brilliant. It locks the innermost vertical locking bars together, making it virtually impossible to pry the doors open. It's designed to fit bars that are 9¾ inches up to 16 inches apart, covering most standard sea containers and semi-trailers right out of the box. If you have an odd size, they do offer an extension kit, which is a nice touch for flexibility. Security here is paramount. This is constructed from carbon steel, and the manufacturer claims it can withstand thousands of pounds of force. That's serious protection. Beyond the sheer strength, the lock mechanism itself uses a tamper-resistant tubular pin tumbler design. That's high-end security engineering, giving you real peace of mind whether your container is sitting on a construction site or traveling cross-country. Now let's talk about convenience, because this is where the Onsski really shines, especially for fleet management. It features a 4-digit combination lock. This eliminates the hassle of managing keys across multiple drivers or personnel. But here's the clever part. While it's keyless for daily use, you use an equipped key to change the combination. This means management maintains total control over access codes, making it incredibly convenient for large vehicle fleets. Plus, the installation is ridiculously easy. There's no mounting or drilling required. You just align it and secure it with the one-click lock feature. Visually, you can't miss it. The bright red powder coating isn't just for looks. It resists corrosion, which is essential for outdoor equipment, and it acts as a massive visual deterrent. Thieves see that bright red steel structure, and they know immediately that this isn't an easy target. Overall, the Onsski heavy-duty cargo door lock is a fantastic blend of brute strength and modern convenience. It offers maximum security construction while providing the flexibility of a combination lock, making it the ideal anti-theft upgrade for anyone serious about protecting their assets.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.